guys, it's Moz here from Moz6510 Models, and on the workbench today I have another quick build. I'm hitting these fast and furious in the last couple of weeks, haven't I? So this one here is the Bugatti Chiron. No glue, no paint, just build, or I should say no mess, no fuss, and you get a model. Basically in here you're going to get a kit which is very similar to Lego or Mega Blocks, but it's made by Airfix and it's a little bit more complex. It's not just a case of getting square bricks and then adding stuff to it. No, these parts, even though they're like little pins like Lego, but they've got bigger shapes basically. How to describe it? They just fit together nicely. All right, so this is the quick build. I'm going to be building this. So this is it. The front art is brilliant. The box art looks fantastic. On the top, you have the box art again. Basically, stickers included, rolling wheels, pre-coloured, and it's all push fit. Little hanger there for the shopkeepers. On the side, you have box art, basically telling you what it is. On the other side is exactly the same box art, blah, blah. On the bottom here, this one has the Bugatti sticker there, the hologram to say it's an official product, which should be Volkswagen anyway. It's in Bugatti Volkswagen. The code for this kit is J6044. QuickBuild Bugatti Chiron, and that's basically it. Oh, there's no flying hours on these kits anymore. It looks like they've kind of taken them off, but they still show the Airfix Club logo. All right, on the back it tells you exactly the size it is. It's 51mm tall, so that's 5 centimeters roughly, and 189mm long, so that is roughly 19 centimeters. There again, on the top it says again, stickers included, rolling wheels, pre-coloured and push fit. And there's the Bugatti symbol there. Again, trademarks, design, patents, and copyrights are used with the approval of the owner, blah, blah, blah. There you go. Also, there's a link there to the website, airfix.com. Quick build. So there you go. Let's open the box and let's see what you get inside. You get 2 bags, one with clear piece. Only one clear piece on this one. That's interesting. And a bag there. You also get quite a nice sticker sheet there, quite a few stickers here. What's that, 15, 16? Yeah, 16 stickers to put on. I'll move the bag to one side first. Quick look at the instructions. These are all different when it comes to the quick builds. So this one here, start from the top, work your way down on this page. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you start here, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 9, 10, 11, 12. And then 13, 14, and there is a call out there for the rest of the decals. 45 pieces in this bad boy. So yeah, I think this is a new tool in, by the way, so it's going to be interesting to build. We'll have a quick look. We'll put the get the bag open. Have a quick look at the bag. Now remember, on quick builds they do help you out as much as they can. If it's a left side, it will say left side. If it's a right side, it will say right side. They're pretty good at helping you with that. Is there any left and rights on this one? There's the seat. There you go. See that? It's got the L for the left. So in this one here, I suppose we'll say R for right. There it is, R for right. So there is some little help there to help you along your way. Right. And then you have your little package here, which is your plastic piece. That's it. One plastic piece. Look at that. I thought there would have been 2, but hey-ho. Just quickly, when you do a quick build, I always mention this because it is interesting and it also helps you. There is a little lip inside. That's basically for you to push the wheel up to. Just look in here and you push it in right the way till it hits the lip. And that's the wheel done. Okay, look at that nice wheel, you know. That's quite a nice little wheel. I like that. I like that a lot. So this is a time lapse. So basically all you have to do is go to the cog settings, click playback speed 0.5 or 0.25 because it is a time lapse, so it will take a picture. I think it's every 5 or 10 seconds, but if you want to see it slowly, you can do that. Anyways, this is it. This is a time lapse, and I'll see you on the other side. So there you go. Now this was a real bit of a tough one to build. There's some bits that just I don't understand. A couple of bits threw me on this one, so I took a bit longer to build than normal. It does look a nice piece of kit though. Moves quite freely, a nice front end, nice back end, and just looks like Bugatti, is it Chiron? I think it's called. A couple of things on the instructions were this. I want to just point them out straight away. They tell you on here to put stickers on. That makes no sense, because as soon as you put the sticker on, you can't see it because it's covered behind this white piece. If I do pull them out, let's just have a look, shall we? Just for the sake of argument. Let me just pull them out a minute. Let's get the knife in there and get my whoops. Can you see that? It makes no sense, and it's not even shaped right either. I don't understand that. It doesn't go all the way up, but it gets hidden by this door here. As soon as it goes on, flicks in, closes, bump. You'll never see that sticker again. The dashboard, there's a little bit of a sticker there. You can see it. It's already started to peel off, unfortunately, but I did the best I can. These look terrible. You've got to go up and around. I tried my best to get these right, but you know, you're better off just the same with the front ones here. You're better off cutting them in half because they come as one piece. You can see in the sticker here on that one there, they come as one piece. You're best off just cutting through and just putting them on singly. You can't really see them anyway. Lights look pretty smart, quite nice lights. But yeah, everything else is okay. Apart from this bit here, this winds me up when I can't get stickers right. This is why I love decals, because you just wet them and move them and they fit lovely. But yeah, that's basically the toy there, all done and dusted. It's a lovely build. It's one for your mates if they like a Bugatti and they're never going to own one because they don't earn enough money. This is a good one to buy them. Makes a great Santa, Secret Santa at Christmas or for a birthday for one of your mates. Cracking little build. Enjoyed it. A little bit frustrating at times by the way it all goes together. For instance, here, can you see the little bit of grey? Well, in the picture, it was white. So I'm there looking for a white piece there. Looking for a white piece, it was silver. I was like, oh, you are joking me. So yeah, little things like that, doesn't help. But yeah, it's a good little build, easy enough. I think a 6-year-old will need a lot of help with their parents, and I think an 18-year-old will build this in a breeze. So that's it. Thank you very much. And if you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring that bell to be notified on any new videos. Any questions, any comments, put them in the box below, and I do reply. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.